How to change icon size on your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your icon size on your Android device. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's jump right in. First thing you're going to do is open up your settings menu on your phone and then scroll down a bit until you find your home screen settings. Usually what happens is you will have an option dedicated to change the icon size. Right now I'm currently using a Samsung device, so there is no direct option to change the icon size, but what you can do is change the grid layout. So for example, if I just change my home screen grid and then change it like this, the app's icon size will also be changed based on that. So as you can see, the app will seem a lot larger now. So if I just tap on done, go here, and as you can see, this app size is significantly bigger than previous app size. So that's how you can change app size on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.